Hello students, today we will see few more examples of useful microorganism. So let's begin with medical use of microorganism. Microbes are used to prepare antibiotics which are used to treat several bacterial infections. So what are these antibiotics? Antibiotics. So here anti means against and bio is something related to living or life. So it means it is against life, that is microbe that cause disease. So antibiotics are chemical substances that kills or stops the growth of disease causing microorganism. These antibiotics, they are produced by microorganism and it is used to kill disease causing microorganism. So you can simply say that a good microorganism or a useful microorganism is killing another harmful microorganism. Some of the examples of antibiotics are streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin. These antibiotics are useful for not only human beings but also for animals. So these antibiotics, they are mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check their microbial infection. So if they are suffering from any microbial infection, we can provide them antibiotics. So they are used to cure a variety of diseases in animals too. Let us see the discovery of antibiotic. So Alexander Fleming, he discovered the first antibiotic and he named it penicillin. Let's see how he discovered. He discovered this antibiotic accidentally, or you can say it was discovered by chance. So actually he was working on a disease causing bacterial culture. This bacterial culture plate is a plate where we used to grow bacteria for experiment purpose. So he grew this disease causing bacteria in a culture plate. But what happened? One of the culture plate was left open by mistake. He forgot to close the culture plate. So later he found that growth of green mold has grown in that plate. And he observed that the presence of mold prevented the growth of bacteria. So there was no growth of bacteria in that region, in that area. So he concluded that mold release certain substances that inhibit the bacterial growth, and these substances was nothing but antibiotics, which he named penicillin after the name of that mold, that is Penicillium notatum. You can see here, this is a culture plate. Here bacteria are grown. This all is covered with bacteria. Now you can see these small circles here. These are antibiotics. Now these antibiotics, it didn't allow the bacteria to grow in this region. Here also it didn't allow the bacteria in the nearby region. So they stopped the growth of the bacteria in this region. And remember, this penicillin is an example of fungi. So we can produce antibiotic from this microorganism. And students, there are certain precautions which we need to take while taking antibiotics. So these antibiotics, it should be taken only on doctor's advice. And moreover, doctors used to prescribe a course for taking these antibiotics, like for 7 days or 10 days, like that. So we should complete this course. And one more important thing is that it should not be taken unnecessarily. Otherwise, it will kill the beneficial microorganisms also that are present in our body. And remember, these antibiotics, they are not effective against virus. This is for mainly bacteria. So during viral fever or cold, we don't take antibiotics.